Do you always feel tired despite having enough sleep? You want to have a productive day, but your eyelids feel like lead and your body still feels like it's asleep. Well, after this video, you'll know why you are likely to feel tired and some strategies on how to fix it. My name is Morton, host of Time Strapped Health, giving busy professionals and entrepreneurs a way to optimize health that fits with your career. Now, tiredness is the #1 killer of productivity and good intentions to stay healthy. No matter how well intentioned you are, being constantly tired can be a one-way ticket back to bad old habits. And you're not alone. In a survey asking what is holding people back from exercising more and eating better, the top 2 reasons were tiredness and lack of motivation. When do you feel most tired? In the morning, in the evening, or at weekends? Write down your answers in the comments below and let me know. So in this video, I share the common reasons you might feel tired and 3 strategies to boost your energy levels fast. And near the end, I share a bonus technique that does wonders for your energy levels. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel to ensure you don't miss a video and I look important to the YouTube masters. Now, did you know a study found just 1 night of sleep deprivation was enough to cause people's reaction times to be the equivalent to someone drunk on alcohol? Yet when it comes to business and work, it's almost a rite of passage to grind through and have at least one story where you're burning the candle at both ends to get a project done. But what if you feel you've had sufficient enough sleep and still tired? When working with clients, I have seen 3 common patterns of why you feel constantly tired and have no energy. And I know it feels frustrating when you want to be productive but feel like you're sludging through honey, or you want to get to work done but you have no energy to play with your kids and enjoy a social life. The following are 3 reasons why that might be the case. Number 1, sleep quality. Now you might say to me, Aaron, I regularly get 7 hours a night, and you may be in bed by 10 p.m. without fail. But what about the quality of your sleep? Do you take ages to get to sleep? Do you wake up constantly? Even worse, do you sleep low during the week and then try to catch up at the weekend? All of these are indicators your sleep quality could improve. Now, you sleep in 90-minute cycles, of which there are 4 stages. Stage 1 is a stage between wakefulness and sleep. It is characterized by drowsiness and light sleep. Stage 2 is where you transition into a deeper sleep. It is where there is a reduction in muscle activity and the appearance of what's known as sleep spindles on an EEG machine, which tracks sleep patterns in a clinical setting. Stage 3 is deep sleep. There is slow brain waves in this stage called delta waves that will show on the EEG machine. Now, this stage is crucial for physical restoration as it supports tissue repair, growth, and strengthening of the immune system. It also involved in memory consolidation and learning. Stage 4 is rapid eye movement. If you had a camera on you in this stage, you would see rapid eye movements when your eyes are shut. It is where vivid dreaming and increased brain activity, similar to wakefulness. REM is crucial for cognitive function, memory consolidation, and learning. And it's in stage 3 and 4 where the magic happens regarding replenishment. If you spend too little time here, or you rarely get here at all, you don't reap the benefits of spending time in this stage. Clearing out old short-term memories to the hippocampus where long-term memories are stored. Helps in emotional regulation by separating the memory from the event of the emotion where the emotion was connected to, or activates an internal waste disposal system to sweep away intercellular junk within the brain. If we don't spend enough time in this sleep stage, these benefits can't be fully achieved. Solving this problem requires you to create a routine at least 1 hour before bed. The main aim is that by the time your head hits the pillow, your brain is in sleep mode, not still in work mode. So an hour before bed, 1, eliminate as many electrical stimulation as you can, or wear blue blocking glasses. 2, eliminate active brain work. Passive activities like fiction or TV is okay, but remove work-related activities that require you to think. And 3, no more food or stimulating beverages. Now, talking of stimulants, number 2 is all stimulants, no energy. Now, I remember walking to the studio one morning to train a client, and a guy was walking towards me with a big can of Red Bull. That distinctive Red Bull smell hit me like a truck. Now, I thought, how could you drink that at 7 in the morning? But many do. I've worked in office jobs where that's the norm, along with 8 cups of bad coffee. When we are tired, it is common to reach for the stimulants, the most common being coffee or worse, energy drinks. Also, after a long, tiring day, how many reach for the alcohol, or at weekends go heavy on the alcohol to unwind after a heavy week? Well, alcohol doesn't improve your sleep, and at best provides a light booster of energy. What it actually does is acts as a sedative, and then metabolizes into chemicals that impair our ability to sleep. So it may feel like we're sleeping, and the visual is of someone who's had enough with them spark out on the sofa. But internally, you're merely on standby rather than sleeping. It's the same with any stimulants. Caffeine isn't actually a stimulant, but blocks the chemical adenosine, which helps you get to sleep. Adenosine helps with what's called sleep pressure, which builds up during the day towards the evening where there is pressure to sleep. Now, caffeine blocks this ability. So yeah, it can block the tired feeling, but it's not create energized states. Now, the solution, the aim is to evoke as much of your natural energy as possible. This is masked if you're continually fueling with synthetic stimulants. So for 1 week, eliminate all alcohol, caffeine-based products and sugar. Yes, initially you'll probably feel worse, yet after 7 days, you'll give your body the chance to regenerate energy naturally, which is what we're after. So okay, number 3, lack of movement. Try this for a minute. Stare at the wall for 1 minute. Do you feel energized? Well, it's unlikely. Movement creates energy. Even better, outside movement creates energy, even more energy. But think about most offices. Synthetic light with synthetic air, using your brain constantly while staring at a screen, and continual prompts on phone and email. If you can endure watching Love Island or Big Brother, you'll notice that they are sitting around all day, and you'll also notice they're sleeping a lot. Why? Because low activity manifests lower energy. By creating an environment where you've got to sit down meetings back to back where there's no movement but possibly a lot of thinking, and as a result a lot of glucose energy being used in the brain, you'll feel exhausted all day. So the solution, you've guessed it, you have to add movement into your life. Now try this. I call it 20 for 20. Every 20 minutes, get up and move for 20 seconds. Start with this. The next step will be incorporating going outside on a regular basis to generate energy for yourself. So I promised a bonus technique, and here it is. Deep, quick breathing. When you inhale, you activate the sympathetic nervous system. This sparks your awareness and focus. So what I want you to do is take deep, quick inhale breaths via your nose and then effortlessly move them from the mouth. So it's now this is something called hyperventilation breathing. And it can be that if you do this for a prolonged time, but I only want you to do this for 10 to 15 times and then move on with your day. It's like a quick fire jolt out of your regular tired state. And if you're feeling tired all the time despite adequate sleep, explore these ideas presented today and implement the solutions. Now, before you go, like and subscribe to this channel and answer the following question. When do you feel most tired? In the morning, in the evening, or at weekends? What I want you to do is write down the answers in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video where I'll talk about something else, about how you can optimize your health whilst building your career.